Want to secure funding for your business, but don't know how to qualify for loans and grants? Whether you're a startup or an established business, this guide will show you exactly what you need to do to improve your chance of securing funding, and will introduce you to 2 essential resources. The first step is understanding the requirements. For business loans, lenders typically look at 3 main factors. 1, your credit score. A strong credit score increases your chances of approval. If your credit needs improvement, check out scorerevive.com to boost it. 2, a business plan. Lenders want to see a detailed roadmap of how you'll use the funds and generate revenue. 3, financial documents. Be prepared with income statements, tax returns, and cash flow projections. For grants, focus on aligning your business with the grant's purpose. Grantfunds.com specializes in helping businesses find and apply for grants that match their niche. Once you're prepared, it's time to find the right funding source. For grants, Grantfunds.com is your go-to platform. They provide tools to discover grants tailored to your industry and offer expert tips to create a winning application. For loans, check out WorldQuestCapital.com. They provide flexible business loan options and work with businesses of all sizes, even if you're just starting out. When applying, follow these tips to maximize your chances. First, tailor your application. Customize your loan or grant application to meet the specific requirements of the lender or grant provider. Next, highlight your strengths. Showcase your business's potential and how the funding will be used effectively. And finally, seek professional help. If you're unsure about your application, reach out to WorldQuestCapital.com or GrantFunds.com for guidance. They offer support to make your application stand out. Qualifying for business loans and grants isn't as daunting as it seems when you know what's required and use the right resources. Visit GrantFunds.com to explore grant opportunities and WorldQuestCapital.com for business loan solutions that fit your needs. Take the first step today toward growing your business. Like, share, and subscribe for more funding tips. Your success story starts here.